Oh, I've got to hustle this morning. I still need to make breakfast. I've realized I've bought no groceries for breakfast in days, so I need to do that. I'm catching up with some guys to make a doco today. I've got about a bajillion things of work to do. Busy. I'm very busy. So I'm meeting up with an old friend. We went to school together. We're gonna be making a little doco together, which is pretty fun. I don't want to spoil it, but it's going to be about diving. Kind of. So much gear. Check these guys out in the water. Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
So the plan is for this opening shot, we are going to be using this to follow the guys as they move around the headland and start to dive under. Hopefully it's going to look epic. Alright, so I'm done here with the guys. I'm going to take off the office, do some editing. I'm going to catch up with them a bit later though to film part 2 of this. Editor going great. I'm going to catch up with the guys again. We're going to film part 2 of this doco, and then I'm back here to finish up for my day. Well, there might be some other stuff in between. We'll find out. Let's be the place.
Hello.
Gentlemen.
Hey man, how you going? Smaller bits of lead melt and cause like the molten lead just sit at the bottom, and you can just put larger bits into that and it'll start to, you know, really take off.
Pretty much done here. I'm just going to do a quick little interview and then we're done. Back to the office. Great guys, thank you for an awesome day. The documentary is going to look great. Just had to grab some dinner. I have no idea what the vlog's going to look like today. I feel like I just kind of forgot about it and got engrossed in my other work. I hope it turns out alright.